last. So P90X exercises. Let's open up this article. And this article has a lot of stuff in it. It has your meta tags, it has your recommended URL, it has the article itself. The first thing we're going to start with, we're going to skip the meta tags and the recommended URL, and we're just going to go to the article itself. It's got the title and the body. First, I'm going to take the title, just copy it, go over to the site builder, and paste it in to my headline. And just delete anything that you accidentally put in there. So there it is. Okay, I'm going to go back now, and I'm going to copy the body text. I'm just highlighting it all with my mouse. I'm going to hit Control-C on my keyboard, and then go back to the site builder, and I'm going to just paste it over this first paragraph, and then delete the rest when I'm done. So I'm going to paste it first. Okay, and this is just the way I like to do it. Paste it first, and then delete the rest. I'm going to highlight everything else. Delete this image at the bottom and get rid of any extraneous space at the bottom. And now we've pasted it in. It doesn't look quite right, so I'm going to create some spacing here. Space, space, space. Just hitting Enter on my keyboard. All right, that looks better. All right, and now I'll click Save. And let's preview this article. You can preview it by clicking this little icon right here. All right, looks good. Okay, now we're going to finish optimizing this. We're going to optimize this article, I should say. So I'm going to click on Page Settings, and let's just do that again so everyone can see. Page Settings is this little icon in the upper left, right next to Source. It's right here. I'm going to click it. This is where you can enter things like meta tags. This is where you can do a lot of things. So first thing I'm going to do is rename my page, because right now it's called Article Page 1, and I want to rename it so that in the future I know what it is in the right menu. And so this one is P90X Exercises. That's the name of the file. It's also going to be what's in your title tag, so I'm just going to copy that, what the title tag is, and just rename it. This is just for internal use, this particular field, just so you know what it is. So don't worry, you can call it whatever you want. Now in the meta tag section, this is part of optimizing your page for the search engines. We make it very, very easy to optimize your pages because you just have to drop the meta tags in here. They're pre-written for you. We've already written them. Our team's already written great meta tags for you, so you don't have to write them. You just copy them and paste them in. So the title tag goes here. And this is very important for search engine optimization. You need to have good meta tags. Got the description tag. That's going to go there in the description. It's very important to have good meta tags. A lot of people do their meta tags incorrectly. They're already done for you correctly with the site builder. You just need to paste them in. And this is going to help your search engine rankings a lot. Okay, so we'll scroll down now. Now here's the page URL. We have a recommended URL for you to use. You can use whatever you want. It's usually a good idea to have a keyword-rich URL. So a URL that contains the keyword that you're targeting for the page. In this case, P90X Exercises is the keyword that we're targeting. So I'm going to enter that into there. This article directory stuff will be filled in automatically, but you don't need to do anything with it. You're not going to be using your article directory page anyway. If you want to learn more about this, you can in the classroom videos. So now I also want this page, I want all my article pages to show up in my sidebar menu 1. So I'm going to place a check mark next to that. I don't want to make this my home page because this is just an article page. I don't want to display a custom footer or anything else. That's all I want to do on this page. So I'm done with this page. I'm going to save it and return to editor. And now you'll see that it's linked to from our sidebar. Now I might change the colors of this later, but it's there for now, as you can see. P90X Exercises. So we've loaded our first article and we've optimized it for the search engines. Voila, done. So we would repeat that now with our other articles. You can also see the page name has changed over here to P90X Exercises. So I'm going to go in and do that with my other articles. Let's do this with P90X Routine. I'll do maybe one more article so you can see it, and then we'll move on. And you would just repeat the process for all the articles. Do it with one more. So go to article page 2 now, and we'll go to P90X routine. Open this one up and take the title and put that into the title, and go back and take the body and place that into the body area. I'm just going to highlight again the first paragraph, paste it in, delete everything else, get rid of the extraneous space at the bottom by just clicking backspace. That looks good. I don't think I need to modify anything else. Maybe make this bold, just because it looks like it's a break. It looks like it's a sort of a subtitle thing. And then go ahead and save. I just like to save every so often, just as a habit. Now I'm going to go to my page settings, open up that article again, and now we're going to insert our title tag. I'm also going to change my page name to P90X routine information. I'm going to change my title tag to the same thing. My description tag is here. My keywords tag is there. Okay, I want my page URL. Let's grab that. We're actually not far off from being finished with this site, if you can believe it or not. Put that page URL in. I'm going to link to my sidebar. Click Save. You can see how fast this would be after you've done it, like you've done it once. Probably take a half an hour to load the whole niche pack in, if not less. So there we go. Now it's linked up from the sidebar. It's all looking very good. In Niche Profit Press, it has intelligence built into it that creates optimization elements. Or, it optimizes your site for you. It does a lot of things for you automatically to make sure your site is optimized, such as making sure that your keyword is included here in the anchor text. Various things like that that are happening behind the scenes, which make this such a great tool for building your sites with. That's why I love Niche Profit Press, is it builds high-quality niche sites very quickly, and it optimizes them as you build them. So I'm going to go ahead and load my homepage article in now. We've loaded our others in. I'm going to load my homepage next, and you, of course, would repeat this process with your other articles. I just don't want to waste anyone's time here, so we'll move on to the homepage. So let's open that one up. And this is, okay, what we're going to do is go now to homepage here in the menu. Click on that and open up our homepage article. P90X Workouts Explained. We'll take the title, and that's going to be our title. Oops. Take the body. So did you ever think that building such a high quality, nice looking, well optimized website could actually be this easy? Some people are saying yes. Some people are saying no. Well, we like to think we've made it a lot easier. And if you knew what it used to be like to build a site like this, I think you'd agree we've made it easier. Not to boast or brag, it's just really cool. So going back, I'm going to optimize my meta tags and everything else now. So going here, we'll leave the page name as homepage. My title tag, put in P90X Workouts Explained. Got our description tag. And the keywords tag, I believe, was just P90X Workouts. I'll just type that in. Wow. There we go. And the page URL. The page URL we want to put as index.html. Whenever it's your home page, make sure your page URL is index.html. .html like that. We don't want to link this from the sidebar menu. We don't want to link it from anywhere, really, not even the sitemap.